A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Berbick. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, says inflation in March reached 0.4% as high electricity costs pushed price increases. The hike in electricity costs in the month pushed inflation for the first quarter of this year to 1%. It means for the full fiscal year, that's April 2016 to March 2017, inflation was at 4.1%. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, says the Bank of Jamaica's plan to upgrade its foreign exchange operations to one of competitive auction is one of the best means to determine currency rates. The endorsement comes even as the IMF says it is still doing an assessment of the impact of the new system on Jamaica.
What we are trying to achieve in the context of this program and what we are supporting the Bank of Jamaica do is really to modernize their interface with the markets. So what it really is trying to do is to bring Jamaica to the forefront of best practice in exchange rate management. Beyond that, the details will have to await the outcomes and the recommendations from the Technical Assistance Mission, and I want to refrain from any further specifics until I know more from the technical team.
The Bank of Jamaica currently handles 16% of the total foreign exchange turnover, which gives it influence over the exchange rate. And on that matter of exchange rates, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.65. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $96.77. The pound sterling is selling for $161.21, while the euro costs $136.22. And trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange ended with the main JSE market index up more than 344 points, while the junior market index declined by 31. The winners of the day included 1834 Investments, Berger Paints, Carreras, the JMMB Group, Medical Disposables and Supplies, the Sagicor Group and T-Tech. On the losing end were CSE 2000, Carb Cement, ISP Finance, Jamaica Producers, Kingston Wharves, Lasco Manufacturing, Proven Investments, and Seprod. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Berbick. Good evening.